Hey vlog, we just finished we just finished at the Accademia, and honestly I didn't think it was that interesting. We just looked at the David and then went in the gift store and didn't get anything. But now I'm feeling a little bit better, but we're gonna go get changed in the room because it's cold and I'm wearing shorts. And then we're gonna go to the pharmacy and then we're gonna shop and go for dinner. So see you later. Hey, everyone tell what you got.
I got octopus and grilled. Can I just start again?
Okay.
I got grilled octopus and grilled potatoes.
I got lasagna. I got the octopus like Abby.
Jenna got kids pasta and I got pesto. On our second full day in Florence, we paid a visit to the Uffizi Gallery, which is home to works such as The Beautiful Birth of Venus by Botticelli, The Doni Tondo by Michelangelo, Simone Martini and Lit Memmi's Annunciation, The Coronation of the Virgin by Lorenzo Monaco, Caravaggio's Medusa, and many, many more beautiful sculptures and paintings. There was so much to look at in this gallery, it would literally take you days to analyze it all, so we just stayed for a few hours before heading back out for gelato, a stop that quickly became routine after each outing. After that, I headed back to the hotel to get ready for the afternoon's adventures. Alright, hey guys, it is just around lunchtime on Sunday, March 24th, and I am not doing well. Like, I've been trying to oh my god. We've just been doing a lot of museum walkthroughs the last few days in Florence, and honestly with all this walking I cannot keep up. So we have a bit of like a 1.5 hour break between our museum in the morning and then walking to the market as a group in the afternoon. So my friends just went out for lunch and I thought I'd head back to the hotel just to get some quiet, because even when I'm sleeping, like, we're only in the room to sleep, honestly. I haven't just chilled out in the room really this whole trip wherever we've gone. So yeah, the housekeeper looks like he's just been here because the room is super nice and clean, which is great because having 3 girls in a very tiny space with our suitcases like all over the floor is such a mess. We're not here long enough to put our stuff in the wardrobes, so it's just all over the floor and you can't really walk around. But at least the beds are made, and right here it looks nice and clean. So I think I'm gonna have an everything shower, wash my hair, and then get all clean, get ready. I'll probably change my outfit because I just feel so much more refreshed if I change my outfit after I shower. I'm gonna try and do that quickly so I can hopefully meet them for lunch after they're done their shopping, because we have to meet at 2 o'clock and it's like 12:30. So yeah, I will see you hopefully when I'm feeling better. In the afternoon, we crossed the Ponte Vecchio, which interestingly is the only bridge in Florence that predates World War II, which sadly destroyed a lot of the city. Over the bridge lies the Pitti Palace, which was a few euros to get into, but we'd already done a museum in the morning and didn't want to do a kind of walking thing again. I did, however, want to see the Boboli Gardens, which are behind the Pitti Palace, but I looked up a few pictures on the internet and we'd actually seen something quite similar at the Vatican. However, if I do go back to Italy, which I very likely will, it would be something that I would want to have on my bucket list. Guys, I know I already destroyed the, well, I didn't destroy it. I already shopped at the Brandy in Rome, but this one has 2 floors. This is gonna be bad for me. Their pajamas are adorable. They have so much more like specific stuff than they did in Rome. Because we went to Italy as a group of over 50, there weren't many restaurants that would take reservations for all of us because we were such a large group. This ended up being our one and only group dinner with all of us, and I'm not sure exactly where we went, but it was pretty good in my opinion. Before going back to the hotel, we gathered as a grade group. It was really fun to have all of us grade 12s do something, kind of bonding together before the end of our last school year. We went over to the Ferris wheel. It was really so cool to see it overlooking all of the city at night, and I'd really like to do it in the day. Also, please enjoy this clip of the friends next to us in their cube being swung by the guy running the Ferris wheel. It was so scary for them, but so funny for us to watch. Oh my god, can you imagine being in there?
Oh, yes, I can.
Holy oh my god!
Hello, today we just went to the Bargello Museum and now we have free time to go explore the San Lorenzo market, which is like farmers market, primarily leather because that's just what they have here. But I've also seen a ton of jewelry stands that I want to go check out. First we just stopped for lunch. I went to Coffee and Kitchen and I just got a bagel sandwich. It was so good to have a bagel. And then my friends are just getting lunch at a different place because they didn't want bagels, and then we're gonna go shop.
No, I did not. I actually didn't. Oh, I didn't know you were filming.
Yep.
I'm not surprised.
You literally had a crush on it.
He looks like Loki though. Like I can see.
No, yeah.
Like it's valid.
Right? He's literally never even home. He's always traveling. When I watch her do this, I'm like, I could do that. It looks super easy.
Except you're an awful cook.
Yeah, and also I just don't have patience. We're about to get on the train to Cinque Terre. We're in La Spezia.
We're in luck.
We've been waiting a bit, a long time.
Ciao bella,
Really high.
te voglio andare in Venice.
Wait. Really good. Where did we just finish? Vernazza. We were here for 20 minutes.
Actually, it was
some
35.
35 minutes. And now we're on our way to something that starts with an M. No, that was cute. Oh my god, here, have this little one. On our way to the third stop, Manarola.